We're going to go over 2 different stretches you can do if you're pregnant and having severe pubic bone pain, so pain kind of in the front of your pelvis here. So these are both partner assisted. So the first one is really easy. You're going to place your hands on the inside of your partner's knees here, and what you're going to do is push out as they're pushing against you in. So go ahead and push in for me. So you'll hold it for a few seconds, relax, push it again, hold it for a few seconds, and then relax. You can also go out with it, so push out, relax, push out, and relax. Another one you can do laying down, and you'll do one side at a time. Kind of let their leg dangle here. So a lot of the times when your pubic bone in pain, your inner groin and thigh here is going to be really, really tight. So you can do this one on yourself or have a partner. So you'll start at the knee and kind of feel down and through here. If you notice it starts to get tighter, you can kind of hold some gentle pressure and kind of move up. Now typically what I've seen, whenever your pubic bone's in pain, it's usually really high up in your groin that you kind of need the work. So usually kind of here or even higher up into that region. Usually down here is not too bad, but you still want to feel it to make sure. If it is tight, you can kind of do gentle strokes all the way down, or like I said, just kind of hold some pressure in there. Okay, so you're going to find the top of the pelvis, go right to the center, you'll feel the bumps of the spine, and then put your fingertips on the sides of the spine, and then you are going to push forward as she rocks her pelvis back. So go ahead and stand up, rock your pelvis back for me, and then just stretch up, and then come back up and go back. And then you'll put as much or as little pressure as she wants you to put on her back. For this one, you're going to go on the side of the pelvis here, and then your angle is going to be going towards up and in towards the spine. And then the movement she's going to do is she'll rotate up, and then as I tell her and push on her back, she's going to rotate down elbow to elbow. So what that looks like is you'll put one hand on the opposite one, rotate up for me, start on the outside here, go ahead and go down, and then push your finger up and in as she rotates down. Come back up, go again, and again, it's as much or as little pressure as they want. And then you'll repeat this on the same opposite side. It's always opposite arm, opposite body. I'm going to show you how you can stretch your piriformis muscle. You can also get the rest of your glutes and your lower back in the same stretch. So my favorite way to do it is in a seated position. You'll cross one foot over the opposite leg, and instead of pushing down on your hip, which personally I find very uncomfortable, I like to lean my body forward. So the farther down you'll go, you'll feel it in like your outer hip and your butt area. If you want to get your lower back at the same time, I like to kind of lean a little bit more towards my foot that is up. Now, if you're unable to get in this position, that's okay. You can straighten your leg a little bit, move your leg as far up as you can get it. You can still get a slight stretch leaning forward this way. It won't be as good, but you'll still be able to get it.
Come in and experience the Drummond difference. The Drummond difference.